Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and we're all familiar with the routine. You head to the store, pick up a bouquet of roses, and by the following Tuesday, they're wilting in a vase of cloudy water. It's a classic gesture, sure, but if you're a plant lover, you know there's a better way. If you want a gift that actually grows along with your relationship, something that survives the holiday and becomes a permanent part of your home, you need to choose a leaf legend. Today, I'm showing you 3 incredible plants that are way more meaningful and much longer lasting than a dozen roses. The heart in a pot, Hoya Kerrii. First up is the literal symbol of the holiday, the Hoya Kerrii, often called the sweetheart plant. You've probably seen these at the nursery. They look like a single perfect green heart sitting in a pot. The Hoya Kerrii is a succulent-leafed vine, which means it's incredibly low maintenance. It's the perfect I love you for someone who might not have a green thumb yet. They love bright, indirect light and only want to drink when their soil is completely dry. While that single heart leaf stays beautiful for a long time, if you're lucky enough to find a variegated trailing version, you'll eventually see a stunning vine of hearts climbing up a trellis. It's a gift that quite literally grows more love over time. The living waterfall, string of hearts. Next on our list is the string of hearts, or Ceropegia woodii. If the Hoya is a bold statement, this plant is the delicate, romantic masterpiece. It features tiny, succulent, heart-shaped leaves with a gorgeous silver marbled pattern on top and a deep purple hue underneath. What makes this a legend is how it grows. It creates these long, elegant vines that trail down like a waterfall. It's perfect for a bookshelf or a hanging planter. This plant is surprisingly hardy. It stores water in little tubers that look like tiny potatoes under the soil, making it very forgiving if you forget to water it for a week. It's a constant reminder that beauty can be both delicate and strong at the same time. The bold choice, Anthurium. Finally, if you really love the look of a traditional flower, skip the roses and go for the Anthurium. These are famous for their waxy, heart-shaped blooms that come in vibrant reds, deep pinks, and even white. Unlike roses, which fade in days, an Anthurium bloom can last for months. And once one flower fades, the plant will continue to produce more throughout the year if it's happy. They represent hospitality and enduring love. They enjoy a bit of humidity and consistent moisture, making them a great choice for someone who enjoys the ritual of checking on their plants. This February, I want to challenge you to skip the florist and head to the local nursery instead. A bouquet is a nice thought, but a living plant is a story that keeps going. Because roses are red, but legends are green. I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 would you rather have in your collection? Or is there another heart plant I missed? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the Leaf Legends community. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next one.